Hello, everyone. Today we're going to uncover a super helpful feature in Salesforce called Field History Tracking. What is Field History Tracking in Salesforce? Field History Tracking in Salesforce is a way to keep an eye on the changes made to specific fields in your records. It records the old and new values whenever someone updates important fields. Why do we use Field History Tracking? Imagine you're a sales manager and you want to know when a deal's estimated value was changed and who changed it. Field History Tracking lets you see this info easily. For example, if a salesperson changes the deal value from $10,000 to $15,000, Field History Tracking will show you when this change happened and who made it. It's like having a detective in your team, making sure you never miss a beat. How to create Field History Tracking in Salesforce? Let's set up Field History Tracking together. Log into your Salesforce account and go to the Setup menu. Navigate to Object Manager. Select your desired object, in our example Contact. Click on Fields and Relationships and then select Set History Tracking. Enable Contact History. Here, you'll see a list of fields available for tracking. Choose the fields you're interested in, like contact type and home phone. You can select up to 20 fields per object. Click Save. After you've selected your fields, navigate to Contacts. Select a record and go to its Details page. Edit the home phone and contact type fields and click Save. In the Related tab under the Contact History, you can track the fields and their original and new values. And that's it. You've successfully set up Field History Tracking for your chosen object. And now you're all set. With Field History Tracking enabled, you'll always know what's changed in your records, making your data management smarter and more transparent. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for more straightforward Salesforce guides. This is Naveen signing off.